Hi everyone, Heather here, and I am going to do a singles hookup sex reading for this weekend to see if and whom anyone who is single, mind you, is going to hook up with this weekend. And if you are coupled up and watching, well, your secret is safe with me. Anyway, hit the subscribe button and the little bell down below so that you get notifications. And you'll want to do this because I am doing a series all about the zodiac. And you'll want to be notified when I come to your zodiac sign so you can learn all about yourself. And give me a like and a comment, please. That helps the algorithm. It helps my channel out. It's my, videos out to more people. And share this with any single friends of yours that may want to see who they are going to hook up with this weekend. Let's get started with Aries at 1 minute and 10 seconds. All right. Let's get started. Who is Aries going to hook up with this weekend? Who is Aries going to hook up with this weekend? One more shuffle. All right. All right. So, excuse me. This person could be a water sign or an Aries or have water or Aries in their chart, either Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Water signs are Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Ooh, there we go. This is a person that you probably already know. You have emotions for them. You think you guys would make a great couple, but for whatever reason, you have been afraid to take that leap of faith with them and start a relationship. However, I do see that you guys will be having a lot of fun, and your emotions may even grow when you hook up with them. Interesting, Aries. Okay, Taurus at 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Who are Aquarian singles going to hook up with this weekend? Who are Taurian singles going to hook up with this weekend? Taurus. Taurus singles, who are they going to hook up with this weekend? All right. So, it could be a fire sign, which is Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or it could be a fixed sign, which is another Taurus, a Leo, Scorpio, or an Aquarius. This person is probably pretty impatient, doesn't like to wait around for things. They may have just ended a relationship, and so they're single and ready to mingle, okay? That was pretty straightforward. If you meet anybody who seems impatient, doesn't want to wait around, wants to do the hookup thing like that, or if they sit there and start talking to you about how they just broke up with somebody, or you overhear them talking about that, that's probably your person. All right, Gemini, 4 minutes and 55 seconds. right, Gemini. Gemini singles, who are you going to hook up with this weekend? Gemini singles, who are you going to hook up with this weekend? Gemini singles. Need 2 cards for Gemini singles. We'll hook up with this weekend. All right. Could be a Pisces or a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. This person might be younger than you, and they will be pretty talkative. They'll want to be open with you, and they might want to make this hookup thing turn into something bigger, something more. So if you are just looking for a hit it and quit it type of situation, be forewarned that they might actually want a relationship with you afterwards. Okay. 6 minutes and 52 seconds for Cancer. Who are single Cancers going to hook up with this weekend? Who are single Cancers going to hook up with this weekend? Single Cancers. Who are single Cancers going to hook up with this weekend? Single Cancers. One more. Excuse me. Single Cancers. Who are they going to hook up with this weekend? Could be a Pisces or an Earth sign, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person, you know the truth about them, or they're going to be very truthful. So if you already know them, you know the truth about them. And if you don't know them yet, if you just meet them, they'll be just truthful. They'll just blab away to you. They are not here for a relationship, Cancer. They are just here for a hookup. They don't want any kind of relationship or anything like that. They might be the type, and I'm sorry for the vulgarity, but they might be the type that, let's say they're a guy, okay? They'll want head, but they won't want to reciprocate. Or same with the girl, you know, same difference. Like that type of person. They will want for themselves, but not care to reciprocate. They'll be a little bit selfish in the bedroom, if you know what I mean. Sorry, Cancer. We know we don't like those type of people. They're annoying, right? All right, Leo. I guess 9 minutes and 30 seconds for Leo. All right, who are my single Leos going to hook up with this weekend? Leo. Who are my single Leos going to hook up with this weekend? Single Leos, who are they going to hook up with this weekend? Alrighty. My hot lions, they might hook up with an earth sign or a fire sign, or somebody with earth or fire in their chart. Earth is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and fire is Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. This relationship is probably not going to go anywhere. And you know, this person might be somebody that, you know, has to fight off suitors, or, you know, just basically has a lot of people that think that they're good looking and wants to get with them. They're going to get with you. But I don't see this relationship going any further than just like the hookup type of deal. They also might be loud or argumentative themselves. Or have a bit of that angry feistiness within them, if you know what I mean. So, that's your person for this weekend, single Leos. And let's see, 11 minutes and 40 seconds for Virgo. Okay. Who are single Virgos gonna hook up with this weekend? Sex and hookup reading for Virgos. Tell me about the person that Virgo will hook up with this weekend. Single Virgos. Our single Virgos gonna hook up with this weekend. Single Virgos. All right. All right, Virgo. It could be an earth sign or a fire sign. So earth is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Fire is Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. They are not going to want to work on this and like make it a relationship. They might have just broken up with someone, and so they're kind of like, you know, they lay down the burdens of that past relationship and they are ready to mingle, ready to party. But they definitely don't want anything more than a hookup, and just want to have fun. That's what they're here for. So if you are looking for a further relationship, first of all, why are you looking at the hookup reading? But it probably is not going to happen. If you're looking for just a hookup, hi. Okay. 14 minutes and 15 seconds for Libra. Who are my single Librans going to hook up with this weekend? Single Libras. Who are they going to hook up with this weekend? Single Libras. Single Libras. Who are they going to hook up with this weekend? Single Libras. Alrighty. You could hook up with a a fire sign or a fellow air sign. So that's Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. This person will be very talkative. They're not going to want to wait around for like anything. They're going to want to, once they see you, they're going to want to hook up. They're not going to, they might not even wait until like the night is over. They're going to be like, let's sneak out to the car, or, you know, whatever. They're going to be really ready for you. And, yeah, they're going to be very talkative, open with you. Just really have an enjoyable time with you. They might be a little bit younger than you, or you might be younger than them. And, yeah, it's going to be fun, Libra. All right, so 16 minutes and 22 seconds, Scorpio. Who are my single Scorpios going to hook up with? Single Scorpios. Who are you going to hook up with this weekend? Single Scorpios. Who are you going to hook up with this weekend? Single Scorpios. Alrighty. We're ready for single Scorpios. Could be an earth sign or a Pisces. Earth is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This could be somebody you work with, which I don't recommend. It never ends well, ever. Okay, don't shit where you eat, okay? But anyways, this could be a person you work with. This person is very secretive. Even if they're secretive, don't do the hookup thing with somebody that you work with. Okay? But yeah. Yep, I see that. I mean, you could meet them at your workplace or at their workplace if you don't work with them. So like if you go to a bar, maybe they're a bartender, that type of deal, or a waitress. But yeah, they're very secretive. They're not very open. So there you go, Scorpios. You guys are secretive too, so it'll all be fine. 18 minutes and 32 seconds for Sagittarius. Sagittarius singles, who are you guys going to hook up with and have sex with this weekend? Single Sagittarians, who are you going to hook up with this weekend? Okay, that was it. Let's get going. Single Sagittarians. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or they could be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. They're not going to be, they're going to be the type of person that's not terribly passionate in bed, unfortunately. It seems like, or just they're not going to seem really passionate towards you. But they're going to like you a lot. I might even want to take it further than just a hookup. But yeah, it's going to be interesting because they're really not going to show any passion for you, at least not right away, but they'll want to like remain in something with you afterwards. Kind of. I would be like, huh? But hey, you know, we're all different, aren't we? Capricorns, 20 minutes and 17 seconds for single Capricorns. All right, who are my single Capricorns going to hook up with this weekend? Who are my single Capricorns going to hook up with this weekend? Who are my single Capricorns going to hook up with this weekend? Single Capricorns. Okay. This person could be another earth sign, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or they could be a fire sign, which is Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo. Now this one's interesting. They're going to be very passionate towards you, huh? What does that look like? They are going to be very passionate towards you, and they are not going to want to be single anymore. They are going to want to hook it up and possibly have an actual relationship. And you might end up wanting it too because of the passions and the fun time that you have. But this one night stand might become something more. Might be deeper than just a one night stand. But yeah, they definitely don't want to be single anymore. They want to get in with you, if you know what I'm saying, and possibly have a relationship with you. All right, let's do Aquarians at 22 minutes and 33 seconds. Single Aquarians. Who are my single Aquarians going to hook up with this weekend? Single Aquarians. Who are they going to hook up with this weekend? Single Aquarians. Who are they going to hook up with this weekend? All right. Could be an earth sign, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Could be a water sign, which is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And things will start off slowly with them. So you might think, I'm not going to end up hooking up with this person, you know, but I think you will get your wish. You will get to hook up with them, and it's going to be real fun. You're really going to end up liking them. And if things do go further than just a hookup, it'll take some time to get there. So it might just be a hookup. But yeah, they're not going to be the type that, like, you say one little pickup line and they're like, let's go to bed right now. You know, it's going to take some work on your part to get them into bed. But once you do, hey, cats, once you do get them into bed, it's going to be awesome. Okay, and last but certainly not least, Pisces at 24 minutes and 39 seconds. Who are my single Pisceans to hook up with this weekend? Who are my single Pisceans going to hook up with this weekend? Single Pisces. Who are single Pisces going to hook up with this weekend? like. You're done and ready for Pisces. You could hook up with a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or specifically an Aries or a Taurus. They're not going to pay a lot of attention to you at first, Pisces. They might be older than you, and you're going to even wonder if they kind of want to hook up because they're not going to be paying a lot of attention to you. However they do, this person could be a mother or father and have kids already, and they will end up really liking you and maybe wanting to take things further with you and have like a relationship with you, but they're not really going to pay much attention to you at first. So you're going to be like, what the hell? Does this person even like me? But they will end up liking you a whole lot and possibly wanting an actual relationship with you. So if that's what you want, great. If you just want the hookup, then let them know in the beginning. All right, Pisces? Okay, so that is my hookup sex reading for singles for this weekend. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the little bell down below so you get notifications of future videos. Give me a like and a comment. Let me know if you hooked up with somebody this weekend. And share this with your other single friends. All right, bye everyone. Thanks for tuning in.